because everything has a protocol. You already know in advance what you're going to do for the patient. I hate it when patients treat doctors like idiots who won't understand the medical record, who won't understand what's happening to them. IVF treatment is expensive. You're paying a lot of money. You need to be insistent. One of the things I hate the most about IVF clinics is how sloppy and careless they are with their medical documentation and their medical records. They don't bother to share a treatment plan in advance with the patient, and I can't understand that because everything has a protocol. You already know in advance what you're going to do for the patient. So, shouldn't you let the patient know these are the injections you need, these are the days we're going to do the scan, this is what we expect your E2 level to be, this is what our expectations are, and if things are going according to track, that's great, and if they're not going according to track, it's far better to let the patient know. I hate it when patients treat doctors like idiots who won't understand the medical record, who won't understand what's happening to them. And what's even worse is they will hide information from the patient. They will not show them the scans, they will not give them the printouts of the ultrasound, they will not explain the blood E2 levels with them. And what's even worse is some of them will even fudge medical records, especially when the cycle fails. And the one thing I hate is they will not share embryo photographs with the patient. And I sometimes tell patients, look, I can understand why a bad IVF clinic will not share documentation with you. Because obviously they want to hide the fact that they're a bad IVF clinic and it's in their best interests not to tell you this. But I get much angrier with intelligent, educated patients who don't demand this documentation. IVF treatment is expensive. You're paying a lot of money. You need to be insistent. You need to be persistent. You need to be assertive. You don't need to be aggressive. But if you do not demand your medical records, and that's why the doctor didn't give them to you, you're the loser, not the doctor. So please learn to speak up. It's in your best interests.